Hello, audiophiles of the internet, and welcome back to Audio 46, your headphone destination. My name is Franco, and today I will be reviewing a brand new pair of gaming earbuds brought to you by Final Audio. Yes, you heard me right, gaming earbuds. These are not over-ear headphones. While this design is a bit different than many of you may be used to for this purpose, Final Audio claims that this new product is capable of taking your gaming and your film and TV watching to the next level. I'm going to break down everything you need to know to see if they're right, so stick around because we're going to get into it right now. Let's talk headphones. The Final Audio VR3000 comes in the classic packaging that you've come to expect from this brand, featuring a simple white box with a photo of the earphones on the front. When you open it up, it contains a familiar plastic sleeve that features all of your components. This includes your earphones, multiple interchangeable ear tips of varying sizes, a carrying pouch, and most interestingly, a pair of ear hooks. The design of these earphones is predicated on simplicity all the way around, sporting a sleek, smooth black color throughout, without so much as even an accent color or logo on the housing. The only details are on the inside of the housing, where it says the name of the product and denotes whether it is the left or the right earphone. The material is a matte plastic, which looks fairly nice on the occasions when it catches the light, and the earphones are extremely lightweight. The shape is an unusual one for this kind of earbud, looking a lot more like a standard IEM, and it contours to the shape of the inner ear very similarly. If you find the right ear tips and get a decent seal, these are very comfortable, and the lightweight especially makes them easy to wear for long periods of time with little to no discomfort. You can also see that the ear hooks that come with this are a little unusual. These are not the harder plastic type ear hooks you might usually see with a sport headphone and are actually quite soft and pliable. They are made of a very similar material to the cable in order to blend more seamlessly, and they come with a little fastening mechanism on either side. They are a little unwieldy to attach, but once they are on, they're a very nice touch that function well. As an earbud tailored directly toward gaming instead of listening to music, this product required a bit of rethinking on the part of Final Audio. This includes the engineering of the individual components themselves, as is evidenced by the unique 6mm driver that is used here. The voice coil is made of an ultra-high purity copper-clad aluminum wire, and all components are treated with a super light and low-impact adhesive to reduce the weight of all the moving parts. This makes for overall less pressure and distortion. The output impedance of the VR3000 is a very low 18 ohms, which means that these can be easily driven by any device on which you could possibly play a game, and they will have ample amounts of power. As I've already stated a few times, these are obviously geared toward the purpose of gaming, but you can listen to music on these, of course, and they really won't sound that bad. In fact, it was pretty pleasant all the way around, but as I said, it will become very clear that this is not the purpose they were optimized for. For one, the bass frequencies, which are usually the crown jewel of an earbud like this, are a little thin and choked here, and they really will leave a lot to be desired if you're listening to something that's very low-end predicated, like hip-hop. Now this, in my opinion, is actually a trade-off result of one of the best features here, and this is the very wide sound stage. A lot of your tracks just probably won't sound right to you here because the sounds are almost a little bit too disparate. These actually work fairly well if you want to listen to some classical or even opera to get a sense of the wide sound of a big concert hall, but that's about it. Rather than creating a cohesive mix that blends together like a whole, the VR3000 is more focused on creating a really wide soundscape, which it succeeds at mightily. Another big feature that these headphones seek to correct in their engineering is the treatment of very high and low frequencies, which are often given big boosts in the sound signatures of gaming headphones in order to accentuate the heightened and exciting moments. However, Final Audio argues that, especially nowadays, gaming and VR audio is intended to help immerse you fully in the world that you are inhabiting. And the argument is that a more balanced sound treatment will actually achieve this result in a better way because the audio is often engineered with this in mind. It's hard to argue with this when listening to how well the VR3000 will put you right in the middle of whatever you're listening to, whether it's a game or just your favorite movie or TV show. These were designed specifically with binaural audio in mind, and it shows. The sounds of environments, whether that's crickets in the distance or the rumble of thunder or enemy fire ahead, are very crisp and very clear. Panning information is especially sensitive and acute, and even movie scenes you've watched 100 times over may take on a bit of a different spatial feel when you listen to them through these headphones. They really do make that big of a difference. While there are many over-ear headphones designed for the purposes of gaming, the Final Audio VR3000 really stands as a unique product in this sense because it is an earbud made for this purpose. From the comfortable fit, to the simple design, to the total commitment to immersive and environmental sound, it is hard not to recommend these to someone who is really looking to step up their audio for either film, TV, gaming, or VR if you're that lucky. So what do you guys think? Are you interested in a product like this, or do you think that earbuds for gaming is anathema? Let me know in the comments down below, and while you're down there, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you never miss another video from our channel, and so you can always join in on the discussion. If you're shopping either for yourself or the audiophile in your life this holiday season, then please go over to our website at audio46.com to check out our sales and deals, and consider joining our mailing list if you want to get these sent directly to your inbox. And finally, if you happen to find yourself in New York City in the coming weeks, then please feel free to drop into our brick and mortar store on 46th Street, where you can try out these or any other gear we sell for yourself. All right, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Franco with Audio 46, your headphone destination, and I will see you all very soon.